So po ako ngayon, kumukuha lang ng video dahil ako po ay injured. Husay uling bukan sa fake, back to husay, husay shoot, and back to Madato. Sino ba to? Si Nicolas Cage. Count! Go, Nicolas! You're very dangerous. Daddy Dale, dribbling, Ponce.
Duwalan.
Duwalan shoot! And it counts! My goodness. And Samoy Bayag again.
Baby Jack na lang ba? Baby Jack din yan.
Nicolas Cage again. To Ate Guy. To Ponching. Ponching shoot. No good. Nicolas Cage. To Ate Guy. Ate Guy shoot. No good. Ponching.
Yes! John Dan.
John Dan. Okay, John Dan. Sino to? Sino to? Hindi. Yung wrestler. Yung manager ng wrestling. Punitin pa.
John Dan.
Shoot! So good. Nicolas. Nicolas Cage holding the ball. Paring Jude, ano masasabi mo?
Tayo nila si Kelly Williams.
Kelly Williams, tukod. Tukod po si Kelly Williams. Kami po ang inyong anchorman. Up, again, and again, walang kadaladala, and again, and again. It's okay. Up, Nicolas Cage, kick. No good. And to the alulod. Ito po tayo, live coverage ng MDMIC anniversary. John Dan. To Duwalan. No good. Nicolas. All alone. Unchallenged.
John Dan. To the kid Biro.
The kid?
Biro. Duwalan.
Oh, pumping.
Foul po si Nicolas Cage. Taas na kamay. Nicolas Cage. Foul, Nicolas Cage.
Oh, Kelly Williams.
So, John Dan
fires. No good. Oh. The kid.
Pinapakaya ni...
Tumabigat dyan, Kelly Williams. Live coverage to.
Sharma with the rebound.
Shawarma. Ate Guy dribble. Shoot! Oh my goodness! Ate Guy, you're so good.
Himala.
Ikaw talaga ang superstar ng buhay namin.
Walang himala. Dakit Biro. Pinapakaya ni Carlos Shawarma.
Duwalan! Go! My goodness, Duwalan!
Oh my God!
Ano masabi mo, Kelly?
Ang galing! Nicolas. Binigay kay Ate Guy. Shawarma. Dribble.
Oh!
Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Nicolas.
Outside Nicolas Cage.
Outside. Nagrereklamo.
Foul. Wow, ginaskatan yung kotse.
Referee daw. Technical. Basta moron. John Dan. Binigay kay Nicolas. Don't we have beer?
No beer. All hard drinks. Ate Guy, shoots again! My goodness, Ate Guy! It's like rain. It's pouring.
John Dan. Dakit Biro. Duwalan.
Ayan. Pumoste. Count! Ang lakas mo talaga. Kelvinator.
El Amanador. Money.
Hey, Nicolas.
Hey, si Ate Guy.
Ate Guy.
Pumihit. Pinasa kay Shawarma.
Shawarma!
Dinasa!
Oh my goodness.
Prostrate.
And it's Amoy Bayag again.
Substitution. Shawarma.
Roman, substitution to Manalo. Shoot! My goodness, John Dan. What a good color combination, green and blue.
Contradicting. Contradicting.
Contradicting, yes, yes, yes.
After training, mauubuhin. Sino muna?
Up. Again. El Aparador holding the ball, dribbles, fires. And it counts! What a bank shot, my goodness. And ito po si Nicolas Cage holding the ball, labas. To ate guy with a belly stomach. Pot belly ate guy, dribbles. Pass the ball to Shawarma, shoot, and it counts. My goodness. Pass to El Aparador.
May tama yung tama yung...
Yes! All alone. And it's the Sisig King. Singaporean Sisig King, yes, indeed. It's the Sisig, okay. Shawarma, shoot, and it counts, my goodness. And, let's count the blessings because it's raining, my goodness.
Break.
Break time, okay. Signing up.